In this string video we're going to go over how to put in equation-driven curve. Um, I've left in the points that we use to create the spline just so we can see how the equation-driven curve matches up with those points. So everything else is the same. We still have the circles for the addendum, pitch circle, dedendum, base circle. And so what we're going to do is first I'll go ahead and just put in the short radial line, same as before, from here out to the quadrant point on the base circle. And then I'm just going to select equation-driven curve. And over here it's going to be a parametric curve, and it says put in the equation where the x and y's should be in terms of t. So for the x value, we had the pitch circle diameter was 5.5, and we have to multiply that times the cosine of the pressure angle, which is 20, but SolidWorks wants the angle in radians, so we'll have to multiply that times pi divided by 180. So that gives us the radius of the base circle. Now we have to multiply that times cosine of t plus t times sine of t. Okay, and then the y value, same thing, 5.5. And actually I forgot that it's going to be divided by 2 because we want the radius. Divided by 2 times cosine of 20 times pi divided by 180 times the quantity sine of t minus t times cosine of t. And I have to go back here and put in divided by 2. Okay, and then the value of t is going to go from 0 to 0.55. Alright, and I'll accept that. And now you can see that we have this curve that passes perfectly through those points, starts where we want it to start, and you would think that this should be fully defined, right? I mean, we've specified where it starts, where it ends, and what the equation is, but SolidWorks doesn't see it that way. Now note what happens if I try to put in a tangency constraint. It already is tangent. I mean, based on the equation, that string, when it comes off the base circle, is going to be exactly 90 degrees to that circle. But if I click on this and hold down the control key and put a tangency constraint in, so that's tangent now, but look at what happened to the curve. It's lifted off those points. It's no longer passing through those points. So obviously that's not something we want to do. So I'm just going to undo that, and now it's passing back through the points. However, it's underdefined. So what I am going to do is just click on that curve and click on the fixed. Now it's saying that it's overdefined. In other words, all I did was just want to hold that in place. It's going through the points as I want. I just wanted to hold it. So I'm going to undo that and take off this coincident between the point, that point, and the arc. So I'll just click on that and delete that. And now if I click on this curve and make fixed, now it's fully defined. It seems like it's happy with that. So at this point I'll go ahead and put in the construction line that comes to here and create that sector, and I'll have to continue on with this in the next video.